Hello, my beautiful, gorgeous, wonderful friends. I'm so happy to see you today. I am going to use most of this in my nails. Actually, just that pink. The pinks are not going to get used today. We're not going to do those. But everything else is going to get used. Plus, we're going to grab yellow. We're going to grab some yellow. So, let's start by putting some forms on. Now, I have actually already removed these nails and done the prep work. If you're curious what that looks like, go follow me on TikTok because I went on ahead, or I'm gonna go ahead and put that up there. Now we're gonna do our prep, prime, and base, and then we're gonna put these forms on. I do like to form all of my forms at the same time, because once you start putting the forms on your hands, it's really difficult to get everything correct. So if you're like me and that's hard, go ahead and do that ahead of time. Now what I'm doing here is just coming in with a very thin Ideal Pink Builder from Light Elegance. And this is just going to give me a beautiful base to protect my nails from the colors we're going to lay down. And it's also just going to allow me to remove my nails later without having to get all the way down to my actual nail plate. So now I'm putting on the forms. I'm just going to show this one. It's super simple. You just slide it underneath your nail. And I like to just put my hand down naturally and then come up naturally and look at it so that I can see that the nail is coming out straight. So that way, even if your finger is crooked, you can make your nails look straight. So just try not to hold your hands hard when you put them on. Be natural. Now, we're going to go ahead and come in with some clear builder, and this is by Saviland. We're using Saviland today for all the other gels that we're using except for that Light Elegance on my nail bed. We've got some clear and some milky white. And I'm just going to put a dollop of this on 3 different backing papers. And guys, let me just say, I realized right when I was about to start stirring these up that I really should have done this before I put the forms on my hands. Who else was thinking that? Raise your hand in the comment section if you were thinking that. Okay. Yes, I know it was you. I know you were thinking it. I'm thinking it. So we're just going to go ahead and mix up some colors. I'm using the clear to make more of a sheer. And the milky white is going to give us more of an opaque, not fully opaque, but just a little more of an opaque situation. And that way, when you're looking at the nails, you can see the different variations and depths to the color. It's a subtle thing, but I think it really does make a difference. So if you're wanting to take your marbles to a new level, try mixing up different levels of color, because that's really going to help you to get that full dimensional look. And honestly, it's all about the layering. It's about adding depth of color, but also layering your colors. And by layering your colors, you bring in even more tones and beauty. So you're going to see what I mean as we start working on these nails. Let's just finish up the mixing. And on this one, I went on ahead and let that milky white be a little more subtle of a color. And it's okay to just play. This is art, guys. Art is playing. Sorry, I got a little in the way there with my own forms, but we're starting with the yellow. I did lay down some milky white already, and I'm sorry that did not get filmed for some reason. Sorry. So sorry. But you can see what I'm doing. I'm just coming in different places, adding different bits of color. I'm going down further than I need to. I always end up shortening the nails. I could have left these a real long stiletto, but you know, I have young grandchildren and stilettos are dangerous, so I don't do those. But I do shorten these down quite a bit. You'll see at the end. Just coming in, we've placed down some of the orange, we've placed down some of the yellow. Here we come in with some beautiful purple. This purple, it's one of my favorite tones of purple. There's so many different tones of colors, and haha, glam tones of colors. And I respond to purple. I respond to a lot of colors. I did that little test where you can count all the colors to see how many colors you can see, and I saw as many as you can see. So if that test is legit, then I think that's why I really like colorful things. And I always wear predominantly very colorful clothes. Even if I wear something black, the thing that goes with the black is usually pretty bright and very colorful or full of pattern. I really love color, as you can tell by most of the nails that I wear and do here on the channel. So the different variations of the tones, I really respond to that. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Kind of lost myself there for a second. So now that we've added some of the layers down, I'm coming in with the word is escaping my brain. It's the Mylars. The Mylars. Oh, wouldn't that be a cool band name? Introducing to the main stage, the Mylars. Yeah, give it up. Woo! Yeah, I think that, okay, if you have a band, name your band the Mylars and give me a shout out, okay? I don't need anything but a shout out. You don't even have to give me credit, just shout out to Gigi over at Glam Tones. You know what you did, girl. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. As you can tell, I'm in a little goofy mood today, and while we finish putting down these Mylars, let's just say I enjoy being goofy. I think it's super fun. Life is too short to be serious all the time, am I right? Am I right? Oh my goodness. So speaking of being silly and ridiculous, I did a set last night using my non-dom. It was going to be an Adventures of Non-Dom for the channel, but guess what I didn't do? I bet you're guessing right now. I bet you just thought in your head, she didn't press record. And you know what? You are 100% right. I did not press record. It was going to be, I do my fills and then decorate the fills, and I only have the fills footage, not the decorating. So I think I'm just going to use the fills footage for a short, so look forward to that. And then do something for Wednesday. So I need to work on that today or tomorrow. We're removing the forms, guys. This is still so thin, and you can see that. It is so thin. But I just felt like seeing that pink behind it was really ruining everything for me to be able to tell what was needed next. So I'm taking the forms off, and we're being super careful. So if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see day after tomorrow, Wednesday, please let me know in the comment section. I need an idea. I had an idea. It's super cute. You'll see it. I'll do a picture of it on my Instagram and stuff, so you'll see it later today or tomorrow. But I don't have footage. And it's not that it's hard or anything, and that's the point. I could redo it on some tips, but it would be like a 3-minute video. So if I do that, again, it'll be a short, and I'll just super speed it up, or I'll put it over on my TikTok or my Insta. Make sure that you follow me over there. It's Glam Tones on both of those. Glam Tones, just like here. So now that I am adding a little bit more stuff in, I was just rambling away. And here's the thing, I didn't write cure every single time, but every time you lay a layer down, cure it, okay? Pop it in the lamp, especially if you like the way it is. This gel spreads real easy. It self-levels. If you have a thicker gel, you can probably wait. But if you have a more thin gel like this, you want to cure between everything. And also that way you don't muddy the colors. Now I'm coming in with just a little bit of the clear, and we're just putting down like a base. And then you see that real pretty like rose gold action we have sitting there. We're going to throw some of that in. I like the tone. It matches, I think, the orange really well, and it brings out some nice tones in the purple, I believe. So you can let me know if you agree with that or not. I'm going to go ahead and be like Bernie Sanders right now and say, you could disagree with me if you want, but I like it. Okay. Oh, I went a little New York with it instead of Vermont. You know, Bernie's going to forgive me. So are you. You know why? Because I said so. There we go. We're going to be New Yorkers. Let's be New Yorkers. I want to visit New York one day, but I feel like I would absolutely not want to live there because they've got way too much winter. Okay, so now before we go in with an encapsulation, we're going to start with a little bit of a pre-file. Did you hear that bell? That means my food thinks that it's done. It probably is done because I can smell it. I'm going to have a salad with some coconut shrimp. And I'm really, really excited about it. So I'm just going to let it sit in the oven and stay warm while I finish this voiceover. And then while I finish the rest of the editing on this video, we will go ahead and eat. I'm super hungry. I've got this salad. It's one of those chopped salads. I forget, like Fresh Expressed or some stuff. I almost said something else. Hit me in the comment section if you know what I was about to say. Just sorry. But the chopped salad, it's the one that has the sunflower seeds in it and the sweet onion coleslaw dressing. Guys, get it. Even if you think you don't like coleslaw, just get it. Don't put that much dressing. The salad is delicious. It's great. Just get it. It's really good with some shrimps. So that's what I'm going to eat for lunch, you guys. Let me know if you're ready for some shrimp salad. So I am going to do the rest of the encapsulation off camera because this video, you know, would probably be at least another 3 to 5 minutes long. I went on ahead and did all the filing off camera because I can't file on camera, guys. Not seriously. I get so close to my face and my body when I'm filing. There's a couple videos where I've tried to do that, but it doesn't work out. So you can see I've got these cute little gems. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I did a little unboxing video for the gems I'm putting on right now and a few other things that I got from the, the Shein. It's not the Shein, I know that. It's just Shein. But I like to say the in front of things. I always have, ever since I was a kid. I know people associate that with an old people thing, but I have always done that. So I'm just going to go ahead and love myself through it. It's okay. I can love that I do that. Be careful around your gems. You know I've said that before. I also want to tell you that big gem, that didn't last. No, it's not on my nail anymore. Had to file it down and just go ahead and retop coat everything because it did not last. It hangs off to the sides too much. It's real pretty for pictures though. It's an Instagram gem. If you have some tricks for keeping the gems on, please let me know. No one sucks at that more than I do. I love gemmy nails, but I can't have them because within 2 days the first one pops off and that's just how it is. It's just they start going from there. And I try so hard to make sure that I am really securing them on there, but it just never works. I think I'm going to try the stuff that, this is the finish set, you guys, that Talia uses. She uses resin. I think I'm going to try that and see if it works better for me. Because I really want to wear gemmy nails so much. Guys, I love this set. I think they came out super, super pretty. I love the color variations. I love that thumbnail. I think might be my favorite, but also that ring finger for different reasons. The thumb is brighter, the ring finger's milkier. I really, really like them. And that gem situation, even though it didn't last, don't you think it kind of looks like a little angel? If you're still here, instead of being a rock star, be a little angel for me. Go ahead and leave me an angel in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are going to see you on Wednesday for another video. If you have an idea of what you'd like to see, let me know as well in the comment section. We will see you then. Mwah! Bye-bye.